Still stuck using the same boring words?
No problem. Improve your English fluency with synonyms.
Angry, angry.
Enraged, enraged. Incensed, incensed.
Furious, furious.
Irate, irate.
Wrathful, wrathful.
Did you see Mr. Brown's reaction when he saw the project? Yeah, he was absolutely enraged. He raised his voice and slammed his hand on the desk. I know. He looked so furious. I thought he was going to explode. I've never seen him that incensed before. He almost canceled our meeting. Absolutely. He was irate, and it was scary. I hope we don't have to face that again. His reaction was wrathful. He really wanted our project to be perfect.